Hi historians, welcome to week 3 of your Explorers unit. This is a map showing what things were exchanged on the Columbian Exchange and showing what routes, how goods were going from the New World to Europe and from Europe to the New World. 3 countries we're going to focus on this week: France, Spain, and England. And those 3 countries are a part of Europe. And those 3 countries had explorers traveling to the New World, or what we know as America. Those 3 countries started to claim, what we call claim, land in the New World. And what that means is the person in charge of the country got to the New World and said, oh, okay, yep, great, we are going to take this land. As a 5th grader, you are going to be labeling a map to show where France claimed their land, where England and where Spain claimed their land. So when you're done with this video, you're going to click on the first page, and it tells us that different European countries claimed different parts of the New World. You're going to label a map to show where England, Spain, and France claimed land in the New World. I'm going to click on the link to take us to the map. And I want to show you some things so that you're familiar with the map and you can use the map for your learning today. So the first activity, it says this map will help you understand the way North America looked in 1770. So this is what it looked like in 1770. It says find your state on the map. Well, when I look, I can guess. I know that we are in the Midwest, but I don't know exactly where Missouri is. So what I'm going to do is come over to the key here and press present day border. And then look, we can see our state, Missouri. So it says, did a country claim land in your state at this time? And then it says which country. Well, what you can do to find out which countries, see right here, British, that represents England. So if I click on British, it shows me. So when I click on that, if we're looking at Missouri, nope, Britain did not claim any land in Missouri. So I'm going to click there to take off Britain. What about France? Did France? Oh yeah, there we go. So France claimed all of the land in what we know as Missouri. I'm going to click that off because there's a couple other things I want us to see. Next it says, look at the colors on the map showing which countries claimed land in North America. What color shows Britain's land claims? So Britain and England are considered the same. And so when you click on British, that shows you in the green. And so that's what you're going to use to label British, or you could say England land, English land, on your map. After you label what was claimed by England, then I'd like for you to label what was claimed by France, and then what was claimed by Spain. Once you're finished with the map, remember you can use the tabs here and go to Schoology, and it lets you know that you are going to label the map, and then you're going to glue it in your journal, and then you'll click the next button. And remember, if you have any questions, you can check in with your teacher.